The airport is a symphony of sound and light. Passengers rush to gates, planes taxi on the tarmac, announcements crackle overhead, but behind this bustling curtain lies a hidden world, a world of tireless workers who keep the global ballet of travel moving. They are the unseen heroes of the aviation industry, baggage handlers. These men and women work tirelessly, often in the shadows, ensuring that millions of bags reach their destinations safely and on time. Imagine a Boeing 777 arriving from Paris. Hundreds of passengers, eager to start their vacations or business trips, disembark. What they don't see is the flurry of activity happening below the wings. A team of baggage handlers springs into action. Their mission: unload hundreds of bags, some weighing over 50 pounds in a matter of minutes. It's a carefully choreographed dance of muscle, machinery, and meticulous attention to detail. The scene repeats itself countless times a day at airports worldwide. From the sweltering heat of Dubai to the icy winds of Chicago, baggage handlers brave the elements and demanding schedules to ensure that your precious cargo arrives safely. Their work is physically demanding, often requiring them to lift, push, and pull heavy luggage for hours. But their dedication is crucial to the smooth operation of the global aviation network. The job of a baggage handler is not for the faint of heart. It's a physically demanding role that requires strength, stamina, and a tolerance for all types of weather. Baggage handlers are on their feet for hours, lifting and maneuvering heavy suitcases, backpacks, and even the occasional oversized musical instrument. They work in tight spaces, often bending and twisting to reach bags tucked away in the belly of an aircraft. Safety is paramount in this line of work. Baggage handlers are trained to operate a variety of machinery, including conveyor belts, tugs, and belt loaders. They must be aware of their surroundings at all times, as the tarmac is a busy and potentially dangerous environment. Heavy machinery, moving aircraft, and unpredictable weather conditions all pose risks that these dedicated individuals navigate daily. But the responsibilities of a baggage handler extend far beyond the physical. They are also tasked with ensuring that each bag is loaded onto the correct flight and that fragile items are handled with care. A simple mistake in reading a bag tag could result in a suitcase ending up in a different country, causing inconvenience and distress for a passenger. Time is of the essence in the world of baggage handling. Flights operate on tight schedules, and delays can have a ripple effect throughout the entire system. Baggage handlers must work quickly and efficiently to ensure that luggage is loaded and unloaded on time. They are under constant pressure to meet deadlines, especially during peak travel seasons when airports are operating at maximum capacity. Imagine a flight departing in 30 minutes. The baggage handlers receive a last-minute influx of checked bags. Adrenaline surges as they race against the clock to get every piece of luggage loaded onto the aircraft before the cargo door closes. It's a high-stakes game of coordination and speed, where every second counts. Despite the pressure, baggage handlers understand the importance of accuracy. They carefully scan each bag tag, ensuring that it matches the flight information. They work closely with ramp agents and flight dispatchers to coordinate the loading and unloading process, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. The life of a baggage handler is not without its challenges. They work long hours, often in extreme weather conditions. They deal with the stress of tight deadlines and the physical demands of the job, but for many, the rewards outweigh the difficulties. There's a sense of pride that comes with knowing that you play a vital role in connecting people and places. Baggage handlers are the unsung heroes of the travel industry, working behind the scenes to ensure that every suitcase, backpack, and duffel bag reaches its destination. They are the guardians of our belongings, entrusted with our souvenirs, business documents, and sometimes even our most prized possessions. And while passengers may not always see them or know their names, baggage handlers take pride in knowing that they are an essential part of the global aviation network. They are the silent partners in every journey, ensuring that our bags arrive safely and on time, ready for the next adventure.